Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. Today we are at the happiest music festival in India, NH7 Weekender. And what we're going to do is we're going to be going around asking people questions about their opinions on sex, dating, relationships and a lot more. We also have a stall here where we're giving away free ice creams to people, to whoever subscribe to our YouTube channel. So subscribe right now. My name is Rahul. What's your name?
Harshita.
Yash. Shlok. Vedant.
My name is Mahika.
Hi, I'm Yashita. Hi, I'm Maitri.
Vasudha.
Chavi.
Sujay.
Jay.
Kajal. Chetna.
Joshna.
I have 4 questions to ask you, very basic questions. Would you ever date your best friend's ex?
Yes, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Why? Why do you think so?
If the friend's like close enough, if it's your best friend, it's totally fine because you can understand each other more. Like you know.
So you would date your best friend's ex?
with permission.
Of course, with permission. But what about you?
Actually, he did date my ex.
Oh shit!
No.
Why?
Because you care more than that, I feel.
Hell no. Never.
Why?
Friend is a first priority, always, no matter what. I mean, if the breakup has happened, we know how much shit she has gone through. So no, buddy, I don't even consider you a human.
Wow.
Depends on who's the ex and who's my friend, how close my friend is.
Your best friend's ex?
No. Never.
But if it's like a good friend?
Then also.
No, that's a friend.
That would be unethical. It's not comfortable, I think.
अगर वो दोस्त का एक्स है तो वो अच्छा नहीं है, वो इसलिए एक्स है so
Not at all.
करके आऊंगा यार, मैं रुक जाओ यार, don't jump
Not
in,
at
यार.
all. Not at all.
No, why?
You heard it so fast. That makes sense.
No.
No, of course no. A big no in capital bold letters. No.
Would you date your best friend's ex?
No.
Depends,
Depends on what?
like his personality, his looks. Were like mostly I'm like a bitch. So if I like someone, I will. Definitely I will.
Never.
Why?
Loyalty for best friend?
But he's like the perfect guy for you.
Still no.
Never. No, never. Sister code.
Bro code, never.
No.
No, never. That would be like cheating on my best friend.
same here. I think there's this bro code which you should never break.
Best friend's ex? No.
But they're the perfect person for you.
Still no.
Okay, why?
I just can't ditch my best friend.
Bros before hoes.
What would your parents say if you told them that you had a girlfriend?
I did tell them and they were a bit shocked. They are like कि बच्चा बड़ा हो गया and he's out of hand, but they accepted it. They are like it's fine.
Nice, cool. Yeah.
My parents are always chill with that stuff.
They would freak the fuck out. They would freak out.
Okay.
My parents are very chill. Pretty normal, I feel.
I mean, my parents are quite homophobic, so as long as it's a girl, that's fine.
Oh.
They're fine.
If she is a girlfriend, they would be more than happy in my case.
They will be like, okay, they will be wanting to see him, like, is the guy okay-ish or not?
Currently they are looking for someone to get me married. So I think they will go to meet him.
What would your parents say if you told them that you had a boyfriend?
They won't believe me only. They'll be in denial. Like, no way that you talk to a man.
Are they like strict? Have they asked you not to talk to men?
They used to, but they've come around. But yeah, they still don't expect it, I guess.
Throw me out of the house, probably. My father is like my best friend. He knows every boyfriend of mine. Like, he have every information more than my friends. They are very cool. My mom is like, whosoever you want to marry, get married.
Immediately.
Immediately.
Oh, they're very cool.
Very cool.
Very nice.
My mom would be fine, but my dad would be very not so.
No issues.
अच्छा तो शादी ही करके आओ.
We'll be pretty chill with it. If I find the right guy.
My parents will say, okay, if the guy's got money, then okay. We'll see how his nature is. And then okay.
घर चलो.
मेरे घर पे वो वाला सीन है कि तू ले आ ढूंढ के बट मुझे ही नहीं मिल रही है.
Oh. Would you date someone who's cheated in the past?
No,
Why?
because like they don't learn.
Okay.
It'll happen again.
Why?
Yeah, because it doesn't matter, I guess. He won't cheat on me, that's what I will think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Girl, are you okay? He cheated on someone else. Doesn't mean that he'll cheat on me also.
Once a cheater, always a cheater. Once a cheater, always a cheater. I'll not date a person who's cheater.
I don't think so. Maybe not. No.
What if he's the same kind of guy who's like really cool, really nice, the kind of guy you like, but he's cheated multiple times in the past?
Then I will cheat him in the next.
Yeah, everybody make mistakes. I think I'll give him a chance.
Never. Because I feel that trust and loyalty is a very strong thing in a relationship.
No.
I think I would, unless and until he does not do it the other time as well.
Would you date someone who's cheated in the past?
I did date someone who cheated in the past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But would you do it again?
No, never. Bad experience.
Okay.
No, no.
And what's the most toxic thing you've seen in a relationship?
I think cheating, yeah, because if you can convince someone that it was fair enough to cheat, you're worse than a murderer.
Oh wow, was it a murder? Okay, cool.
Equal amount of, yeah.
Okay, cool.
A guy telling a girl what to do.
That's pretty tough.
हर जगह मुंह मारना.
Controlling, much controlling is like I don't like let other people live their life and you can be a part of it, of their enjoyment and sorrows. Yeah?
Okay, cool.
Oh my god, being over possessive about like friends or going out, and he's like very possessive. If you go out with your friends, if you go for a movie, like possessiveness is not good.
सब जगह मुंह मारना, I think that is also a toxic trait.
जेलेसी को इनसिक्योरिटी का नाम दे देना. आई थिंक इट्स टॉक्सिक.
सो देर आर मेनी थिंग्स वैसे तो, बट वो वाले सीन्स हो जाते हैं ना जब बिल्कुल आप डरा रहे हो किसी को कि कमरा वमरा बंद करके रो रहे हो, सो दैट इज एक्सट्रीम.
Being over possessive.
Lying.
Lying. Lying is a pretty big thing.
The most toxic has to be like pretending to be someone else just to get the person, irrespective of gender, pretending to be someone else.
Putting efforts at the start of the relationship, and then is like, nahi, mujhse nahi hoga, and all that shit. And cheating, of course, is the biggest toxic trait. So yes, of course.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of our time here shooting content at NH7 Weekender. I'm not going to go enjoy Raftaar and Krishna perform their hearts out because they are my favorite rappers in the country right now. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.